everyone, I am Raiza Iqbal of class 10 from Sarvodaya Central Vidyalaya. Today, I am going to show you how to make bioenzymes. Home cleaning products are toxic and contain aggressive chemicals like nitrogen, um, carbon and various other hazardous chemicals like ammonia, nitrate, chlorine, sulfur, argon, which cause so many problems in health as well as environment. Like in environment, soil degradation, environmental pollution, and in health, some people can have skin allergies, irritation, and various other respiratory problems. So, is there any alternative for all of this? Yes, we can use bioenzymes. Bioenzymes are natural and you can make them easily at home. Let's see the science behind bioenzymes. Bioenzymes are bioorganic home cleaning products. They use a non-pathogenic good bacteria to digest wastes, and they consist of microorganisms like fungi, bacteria, which consist of unique sets of metabolic genes which are used to break down smaller molecules of sugar metabolites. Enzymes are used to break down molecules into smaller pieces or chunks, and these small pieces become the food of the bacteria. The bacteria keeps on continuously keeps on eating the soil unless and until its food supply gets over. So enzymes are used in various types to break down molecules. Like protease, it's used to break down protein based molecules like food and blood, and amylase, which is used to break down starch molecules, and lipase, which is used to break down fat molecules. So, terryzine is a kind of an enzyme soil stabilizer, which is used to increase the value of CBR in road construction. So, these are the kinds of enzymes that I've talked about, and then there are various benefits of using bioenzymes. Bioenzymes are natural, organic, and completely eco-friendly, and you can make them at home easily with just fruit peels. When you buy fruits, you don't have to throw away the fruit peels. You can store them away in a container and use them for making bioenzymes. And bioenzymes are great for cleaning. You can use them easily for cleaning almost any surfaces. And bioenzymes, they get rid of the odor and in the room, malodor and all. So that's about the benefits of bioenzymes. So now I'm going to show you how to make bioenzymes. So you need 1 part of jaggery and some yeast and 10 parts of water and some fruit peels. It can be mango peels, orange peels, or any kind of fruit or vegetable peel. So you have to take 10 parts of water and add some yeast and jaggery in it, and add the fruit peels and shut the container loosely, and you have to release the gas every 2 days so that it may not blast. So this is what bioenzyme looks like after a month or so. It is not complete yet, but this is how it looks like. When the bioenzyme is completely ready, it becomes like a clear solution, and you can either dilute them or use them directly on any surfaces. You can use them to clean your tables and floor and all. And there are various uses in bioenzymes, like dishwash. You can use them as dishwash, and you can use them as a bioenzyme floor cleaner. You can use them as laundry wash, and you can use them for cleaning fruits and vegetables and much more. So that's all about bioenzymes. Thank you.